This tiny box hides a full Windows laptop. Let's unbox the GPD MicroPC 2. Ha? Ayun, umintro na ako guys, pero welcome back to my channel. Ngayon, nandito ako sa Data Blitz sa Glorietta, Makati. Tapos bibili ako ng GPD MicroPC 2. This is a handheld laptop. And hindi ito yung gaming handheld nila, which is what they're commonly known for. Ito yung parang pocket-sized na laptop na para talaga sa mga IT professionals or engineers na laging on the go. So, let's unbox this together. Charan! So, this is the GPD MicroPC 2 box. It comes in this white box, and just disregard the dirt kasi they admittedly opened this before they sold it. But anyway, yan, it's covered initially with just the paper, with just plastic. So let's take it out. Ay, hindi pala matanggal ni Monique. Let's try it again. Ayan. So, take 2. This is a rugged plastic finish, compact clamshell design, and the dimensions when it's closed is 171.2 millimeters, and then 110.8 millimeters by 23.5 millimeters. The weight is about 490 grams. So this is the back, and it is with rubber feet or whatever you call that. Anyway, the sides, you'll have the USB-C and then the power button with fingerprint sensor. At the back, you'll have also USB-C and then USB-C ports and then memory card slot and Ethernet slot and HDMI. And then on the left side, you'll have the audio jack. So ayun. This is, again, it's plastic, and it does look like it's metal, but it's really just plastic. So when you open the laptop, it kind of feels cheap because it sounds like it's cracking somewhere. But overall naman, it looks really, really rugged and sturdy. And so it's a really cool handheld PC. So just to give you a bit details on the screen itself, it's 1920 to 180 ratio, or whatever you call that, Retina LTPS display, and it's Gorilla Glass. Well, anyway, also what comes in the box is this quick start guide and documentation. It is only that. Wala siyang anything. Yung warranty kasi comes with the receipt itself. So, it's just the manual here. There's no stickers as well. Ayan. Thank you so much, Monique. And then now we have the USB-C adapter. Now, this is 45 watts. And it's white. I think it also comes in black, but this one is a black unit and it's white. Anyway, this is also the cable. As you can see, it's just a regular cable. And then we also have this lanyard, or whatever you call this. What is this? Anyway. Ayun, this is not sponsored, guys, but let me read something off the internet for you. So the GPD MicroPC 2 is a 7-inch ultra mini laptop designed for IT professionals, although you can still game on this. With Intel N250 or i3 N300 processors, 16GB LPDDR5 memory, up to 512GB NVMe SSD expandable, Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5GB Ethernet port. It also has the built-in fingerprint sensor, if that we showed you earlier. So ayan, it's rugged, portable, and packed with ports, making it one of the most practical handheld PCs today. Also, just to give you another info on the battery is 2-cell lithium polymer supports PD fast charging via USB-C. Yun. So it's a really nice handheld laptop. Also, this micro PC is not actually for gaming, even though the screen really looks nice, to be honest. But this is not really a gaming handheld PC, even though I mentioned that you could. This is mostly for field-ready professionals, so that they can use it for a mini workstation. It's ideal for engineers, IT admins, and yun, anyone of the like. Also, to give you some other details about this. Normally, if you'd receive this, you'd think that it's broken. I've also seen something in the internet. They reported this kasi the actual battery is drained most of the time if they sell this from Data Blitz, and the regular charger won't work. So I would advise that you use, a faster charger, one that's 460 watts, just to get it charging, and then you can revert back to your original charger that comes in the box. Ayun, pero thank you so much guys for watching. This is just a short unboxing video of this really cool handheld PC. I hope you like it. I'm going to do a review with this on the next video. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye guys!